Hi friends, welcome back to my channel 5 Minutes Tech. In this video you will see how to remove language in keyboard. Okay friends, first go to settings and then choose general management. Now click Samsung keyboard settings. I already add Tamil language. Click in this. Now click the manage input languages. You see this option Tamil. Now I turn off the Tamil language. Now I disable Tamil language from keyboard. Okay, let's check in this. There is no Tamil language available here. In this method, you can easily remove the keyboard language in Samsung Galaxy A15 5G smartphone. Okay friends, thank you. Bye.